Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. So today I'm bringing to you the Dubai inspired chocolate. This is not the Dubai chocolate, but it is inspired by it. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I'm gonna melt my chocolate. I'll be using some milk chocolate here. I'm using 200 grams. I'll just put this in a ceramic bowl and melt it up. Now I've got about 100 grams of white chocolate. I'll just go ahead and melt it up as well. So while you're melting, I'll go ahead and prepare the filling. I'll get a big enough bowl and come in with about 200 grams of coconut chuff. Now I'll be using some pistachio as well, and this is pistachio cream. I'll come in with about 2 tablespoonfuls. I'll just go ahead and mix it up till I get a thick consistency. So it's ready. I'll just set it aside for later. My white chocolate is melted, and I'll be using this chocolate mold I got from AliExpress. I'll just go ahead and with the help of a teaspoon, I'll just sprinkle the white chocolate unevenly at the base of the mold. Now I'll go ahead and put this in the fridge and let it harden up a little bit. Afterwards, I'll come in with my melted milk chocolate and just pour it on the base. I need it to cover the white chocolate. Now, after this, I'll put it in the fridge and let it harden up a little bit. Now, the next step is to fix the sides. So I'll put the chocolate on the sides of the mold. Once again, I'll put it in the fridge and get it to harden. Now it's all hardened up. It's time to come in with a filling, and with the help of a teaspoon, I'll just smear the filling into the mold. I'll just spread it evenly. After spreading everything, we're almost done here. I'll come in with the the remaining chocolate and just pour it on top of the filling. And with the help of my teaspoon, I'll just spread it evenly to cover up the whole thing. And I'll put it in the fridge to harden up for the last time. After about 3 hours, and our Dubai inspired chocolate is ready. It came out so great. I am so happy with the results. It tastes delicious. You definitely need to give this a try. So here we are, guys. I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.